Ever wondered what DevOps really is? Well, let's dive into it. DevOps is a set of practices that combine software development and IT operations. It aims to shorten the system's development lifecycle and provide continuous delivery with high software quality. It's more than just a buzzword in the tech industry. It's a culture, a movement, a philosophy. It's about tearing down the wall that traditionally separates the developers who build software and the operations team who maintain it. Now, there's a common misconception that DevOps is a role or a job title. Nope, it's not about hiring a DevOps engineer and calling it a day. It's about fostering collaboration and breaking down silos within the organization. So if you've been puzzled by the term DevOps, don't worry. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of what DevOps is and why it's a game changer in the tech world. So what does DevOps actually mean? Well, let's break it down. The term DevOps is a portmanteau of two words, Dev, short for development, and Ops, short for operations. But it's so much more than just a blend of these two fields. At its core, DevOps is a set of practices and methodologies that facilitates a symbiotic relationship between software development and IT operations. Now, if you're wondering why that's important, let's dive a bit deeper. In the traditional model, development and operations teams often work in silos. Developers are tasked with creating new features, while operations teams are responsible for maintaining system stability. This can lead to a throw-it-over-the-wall mentality, where developers pass on new features to the operations team without much consideration for how it will affect the overall system stability. Enter DevOps. The main goal of DevOps is to bridge this gap, fostering collaboration between development and operations teams. This allows for faster, more efficient production cycles without compromising on quality. Think of DevOps as a relay race. In a relay race, runners pass the baton smoothly to their teammates, maintaining speed and efficiency throughout the race. Similarly, in DevOps, tasks and responsibilities are passed seamlessly between development and operations, ensuring the software lifecycle runs smoothly from start to finish. Now, there's a crucial element to DevOps that we haven't touched on yet: automation. Automation is the key to achieving the speed and efficiency that DevOps promises. By automating repetitive tasks, teams can focus more on delivering innovative features and less on mundane tasks. Moreover, DevOps also emphasizes continuous improvement. This means constantly monitoring and tweaking processes for optimal performance. It's not enough to just implement DevOps practices, it's a continuous journey of refining and improving. In essence, DevOps is a culture, a movement, a philosophy. It's about breaking down the barriers between development and operations, fostering a culture of collaboration, and leveraging automation to deliver high-quality software at a rapid pace. So, DevOps is all about speed, efficiency, and quality. Now that you know what DevOps is, let's dive into its life cycle. DevOps is not a single process, but a series of interconnected stages that work together like a well-oiled machine. Let's embark on a journey through the DevOps lifecycle, which comprises 5 stages: continuous development, continuous integration, continuous testing, continuous deployment, and continuous monitoring. The first stage, continuous development, is where the magic begins. In this phase, developers write and revise code without any version constraints, thanks to version control tools. This is the foundation upon which everything else is built. Next up is continuous integration. This is the stage where new or modified code is regularly merged with the existing code repository. By integrating changes frequently, developers can detect and resolve conflicts early, leading to better collaboration and less backtracking. The third stage, continuous testing, is the safety net of the DevOps lifecycle. Here, every piece of code is automatically tested to ensure it doesn't have any bugs or vulnerabilities. This is crucial for maintaining the quality of the software and reducing the risk of future problems. Then we move on to continuous deployment. This stage is all about getting changes to the users as quickly as possible. As soon as the code passes the automated tests, it is deployed to production. This means features, fixes, and updates can be delivered to users faster than ever before. Finally, we arrive at continuous monitoring. In this stage, the operation team keeps a close eye on the application's performance. This helps to spot any issues that might have slipped through the cracks and to ensure that the system is running smoothly. And there you have it, the DevOps lifecycle in a nutshell. It's a continuous loop of developing, integrating, testing, deploying, and monitoring that enables teams to deliver software more rapidly and reliably. Each stage of the DevOps lifecycle plays a critical role in delivering high-quality software at a fast pace. And remember, the power of DevOps lies in the synergy of these stages, not in them working in isolation. So, why should you care about DevOps? Well, the impact of DevOps on businesses is significant, to say the least. It's all about streamlining, enhancing, and accelerating. The powerful combination of development and operations drives efficiency, enabling companies to speed up their software development process. What used to take months can now be achieved in days or even hours. But it doesn't stop there. DevOps also has a profound effect on product quality. By fostering a culture of continuous integration and continuous delivery, it ensures that errors are spotted and rectified quickly, leading to improved product quality. And guess what? Customers love quality, so higher customer satisfaction is another feather in the DevOps cap. Moreover, as businesses realize the potential of DevOps, the demand for professionals with DevOps skills is skyrocketing. With DevOps, businesses can deliver better products faster, and that's why it's revolutionizing the tech industry. So, to sum it all up, DevOps is a powerful, business-altering practice that combines the worlds of development and operations into an efficient, unified process. It's an integral part of the tech industry, breaking down silos and fostering collaboration to create a seamless software development lifecycle. DevOps isn't just about the tools and technologies, it's a culture, a way of working that encourages continuous learning and improvement. It focuses on delivering value faster and more reliably, improving the quality of software, and reducing the time to recover from failures. It's a game changer. Companies that have adopted DevOps have seen significant improvements in their performance, stability, and speed. It's a career field that offers immense opportunities for growth and learning. So, if you're a tech enthusiast looking to make a mark in the industry, DevOps is worth considering. DevOps isn't just a buzzword, it's a game changer in the tech industry. The more you understand it, the more you'll appreciate its power. Thank you for watching.